Invincible.
Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 15, excretion and osmoregulation. The meaning of excretion is the collection, separation and the elimination of the nitrogenous waste harmful substances from the body is called as the excretion, or it is the elimination of the waste product produced in body due to the metabolism is called as the excretion. And the meaning of osmoregulation is balancing of water and salt in body fluid. Okay, so this is the meaning of the excretion and osmoregulation. Now the one question should arise in your mind, that is the why or how the waste product produced in the body. Okay, so the waste products are produced in body due to the metabolism. Now the meaning of metabolism is the sum total of the different body processes. म्हणजे आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये ज्या काही डिफरंट प्रोसेसेस घडतात त्याच्या समला काय म्हणतात तर मेटाबॉलिझम असं म्हणतात. अँड मेटाबॉलिझम इन्व्हॉल्व्स the catabolic process and the anabolic process. मेटाबॉलिझममध्ये कॅटाबॉलिक अँड ॲनाबॉलिक प्रोसेसेस काय होतात की इन्व्हॉल्व होतात, ऑर टुगेदरली इट फॉर्म द मेटाबॉलिझम. Meaning of the catabolic process is the breaking down of substances, and the meaning of the anabolic process is the building up of the processes. म्हणजे काय, ज्यावेळेला एखाद्या प्रोसेसमध्ये काय होतं तर एखादा सबस्टन्स ब्रेकडाऊन होतो तेव्हा त्या मेटाबॉलिझमला कॅटाबॉलिक असं म्हणायचं. आणि ज्या वेळेला एखाद्या रिएक्शनमध्ये एखादा सबस्टन्स नवीन तयार केला जातो तेव्हा त्या प्रोसेसला ॲनाबॉलिक प्रोसेसेस असं म्हणायचं. सो व्हॉट्स हॅपन इन आवर बॉडी, दी व्हेरियस वेस्ट प्रॉडक्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड that are due to the metabolic activities. Now the waste formed by metabolic activities eliminated through the kidneys, and the unwanted digested the substances are the eliminated through the anus. So in this way the waste products and the unwanted toxic undigested substances are eliminated through the anus. So in this way kidney and anus helps to the elimination. Okay, now next question should arise in your mind, that is the what that products are formed in the body due to the metabolism and what are that. So daily we are going to take the food inside. Whenever we digest it, it produces some waste products in our body. For example, excess water, carbon dioxide, creatinine, and excess salts like the sodium, potassium, calcium, ammonia, urea, uric acid, these nitrogenous waste material, and the some pigments like the bilirubin and urochrome. So these are all the waste product produced in body. So these waste products are the eliminated through the kidney and the anus, or the some many organs also helpful for the excretion. For example, skin and lungs also plays their role in the excretion. Okay, now these waste products may be in the form of the fluid, in the form of the gases, or in organic and inorganic forms. So these are all the waste product, or these are the harmful product eliminated in process of excretion. Okay, so totally we call them as a metabolic waste products, means a variety of the byproducts, some of them which need to eliminate, that are called as a metabolic waste products. Okay, so in this way we take here information about the how the waste product produced in our body and what are that. Okay, so the I have told you that is the bilirubin is the pigment and the urocorubin is also the pigment. That pigments are also the formed during the waste product production, and among that the bilirubin is the excreted through the feces and urochrome through the urine. Okay, so these pigments are the eliminated in the process of the excretion. So what happens, the sometime the spices present in our food that are the volatile, they may be the eliminated through the lungs. Okay, but excess amino acid cannot be stored. It is broken down by the process of the deamination. आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये जे अमोनिया तयार होतं, that ammonia is the toxic to the body. So our body cannot store it for the longer time. So it gets the broken down by process of the deamination. That time the amino group is the separated from the ammonia. Okay, अशा प्रकारे डिअमायनेशन प्रोसेसमध्ये काय केलं जातं, तर अमोनिया हा ब्रेकडाऊन केला जातो अँड द अमोनिया इज गेट कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू द लेस टॉक्सिक सबस्टन्स दॅट इज द युरिया अँड नेक्स्ट टू दॅट द युरिया इज गेट कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू द uric acid. Okay, so what's happened, there is the correlation between habitat of the organism and what type of the waste they retain. Okay, for example, aquatic tadpole excrete ammonia, amphibian adult frog excrete urea, and terrestrial turtle excrete the uric acid. It means that the availability of water decided the mode of excretion.